Now we have some breaking news coming in. Kannada pride war intensifies. Kannada outfit Rakshana Vedike there. The Kannada Rakshana Vedike gives Yediyurappa government November 30th deadline to take back decision on forming Maratha board. Kannada outfit warns of agitation if the decision there to form Maratha board is not scrapped. Yediyurappa hits back at the Kannada outfit, warns of strict action if Bandh is enforced. Nolan Pinto joining us live for more details on that. Nolan, here it seems like the Kannada Rakshana Vedike is stepping up their attack against the government for offering welfare scheme to the Maratha community in Karnataka. Here we're looking at a November 30th deadline that the Kannada Rakshana Vedike has given to Yediyurappa, saying you pull back the welfare scheme. If not, you see, we're going to carry forward the Bandh in the state of Karnataka.
Well, Nabila, ever since Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa set up the Maratha Development Authority, pro-Kannada activists led by Vatal Nagaraj and many others have been protesting not just in Bengaluru, but across Karnataka, especially in the northern parts of Karnataka and those areas bordering Maharashtra. Now, what we are hearing is this, the Vatal Nagaraj, there was a meeting that was held on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And on Friday and Saturday, this decision was taken saying that if the government led by Yediyurappa does not reverse this particular decision by the 30th of this month, then on the 5th of December, there will be an all Karnataka Bandh, and thereafter they will increase the agitation. Now, Chief Minister Yediyurappa has actually told them that no one can forcibly call for a Bandh. He's requested them not to do so. And Chief Minister Yediyurappa has also once more stated that this is not for the Marathi language. It is only for the Marathis, Marathis staying in Karnataka for their development. But for the pro-Kannada activists, they believe that with Karnataka, the border issue not solved between Karnataka and Maharashtra, doing this would mean like appeasement politics. And again, Nabila, we have by-elections coming up anytime soon. The dates are not yet fixed in Basava Kalyan especially, where you have a sizable number of Marathis over there. And it is stated that this setting up of this authority is basically in order to catch their votes.
Right, Nolan, thank you very much for joining us with those details. It seems like the Maratha pride or the Karnataka pride war there against the Maratha welfare scheme only intensifying, with the Kannada Rakshana Vedike giving an ultimatum to Yediyurappa for November 30th to withdraw that scheme.